Understanding Club Bylaws, a guide to the rules that govern. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a topic that is not just useful but also fascinating. The meaning of the phrase, the club's bylaws. Bylaws are a crucial part of how clubs and organizations operate, and understanding them can give you insight into various aspects of English-speaking societies. Let's get started. Bylaws are essentially the rulebook of an organization, club, or society. They are a set of rules and procedures designed to guide the operation and management of the organization. Bylaws cover everything from how decisions are made, to the duties of members, to how meetings are conducted. They are official documents that have been agreed upon by the members of the organization. Why are bylaws so important? First and foremost, they provide structure and stability. By having a clear set of rules, members know what is expected of them and how the club will function. This can prevent conflicts and ensure that the organization runs smoothly. Additionally, bylaws are legally binding in many cases, which means they can protect the organization and its members in legal situations. Though bylaws can vary greatly from one organization to another, there are several common elements that most will include. Membership criteria: who can become a member and how? Meeting protocols: how often does the club meet, and what are the procedures for conducting meetings? Officer roles and elections: descriptions of the office's responsibilities and how they are elected. Financial procedures: how the organization handles its finances, including dues, donations, and expenditures. Amendment procedures: how the bylaws can be changed or updated. When someone refers to the club's bylaws, they are talking about the specific rules and guidelines that govern that particular club. This phrase highlights the ownership and customization of the bylaws to fit the unique needs and goals of the club. It's a reminder that every organization operates a bit differently and that these rules are foundational to its identity and operation. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and importance of the club's bylaws. Understanding these governing documents is key to appreciating how organizations function and maintain order. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to delve deeper into the fascinating intricacies of the English language and its real-world applications. See you in the next video.